Welcome back to Tech Vibe, the channel where we explore the tech that's shaping the future. Today, we're looking at something that's not just a gadget, but a fusion of fashion, functionality, and artificial intelligence. These are the Ray-Ban Meta Smart AI glasses. Now, smart glasses have been a tough category to crack, but with Meta partnering with Ray-Ban, the goal is clear: make AI-powered wearables stylish enough for everyday life, while being useful enough to actually replace some of the time we spend glued to our phones. But do they succeed? Stick around, because this is one device that could change the way we think about wearable tech. The first impression is obvious: they look like Ray-Bans. And that's the beauty of it. Instead of bulky frames or futuristic designs that scream "I'm wearing tech," these glasses look like a regular pair of stylish sunglasses or clear lenses, depending on what you choose. Ray-Ban's iconic design language is untouched, which means people won't even know you're wearing smart glasses. That's a huge step toward mainstream adoption. But don't let the style fool you. Packed inside the slim frames is some very clever technology. On the surface, you get touch-sensitive temples, hidden microphones, open-ear speakers, and a tiny camera. But the real game-changer is the AI integration powered by Meta. This is more than just a pair of glasses with a camera. It's an assistant that sees, hears, and responds to the world around you. Here's the hook. Imagine you're walking down the street and you see a landmark, or you're shopping and come across a product. You can ask the glasses what you're looking at, and with multimodal AI, they can tell you. This isn't just pulling up Google results, it's context-aware assistance. It's like having a personal guide or an extra layer of information overlaying your real-world experiences. The camera is another standout feature. With a quick tap on the side of the frame, you can snap photos or even record short videos hands-free. It's discreet, it's instant, and it means you can capture moments without pulling out your phone. For creators or anyone who loves to share their life online, this is an incredibly powerful tool. Of course, privacy is important too, and Meta has included a visible indicator light so people around you know when the camera is recording. Now, let's talk audio. The Ray-Ban Meta glasses use open-ear speakers built into the frame, giving you a surprisingly clear and private listening experience. You can take calls, listen to music, or hear notifications without blocking out the world around you. And because the speakers are directional, people nearby won't hear much of what you're listening to. Combine that with high-quality beamforming microphones, and phone calls feel natural, as if you're just talking through a headset, but without actually wearing one. Battery life is always a concern with compact wearables, but Meta has done a decent job here. You can expect about 4 to 6 hours of active use, and the glasses come with a stylish charging case that looks like a classic Ray-Ban case but has a built-in battery. Just pop them back in when you're not wearing them, and they're topped up for the next outing. Now, what's it like to actually live with these glasses? Here's where things get interesting. Imagine walking into a foreign country, pointing your gaze at a street sign, and getting a live translation whispered into your ear. Imagine cooking and asking the glasses to pull up a recipe without needing to touch your phone. Or imagine jogging with your playlist streaming through the frames while still being fully aware of your surroundings. The Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses make these scenarios feel not just possible, but natural. Here's another hook: the biggest win is subtlety. Unlike a smartwatch that constantly buzzes or a phone that keeps demanding your attention, the glasses feel passive. They're there when you need them, invisible when you don't. That balance could be what finally makes smart glasses go mainstream. Of course, there are limitations. The AI isn't perfect, it can misinterpret things, and some features depend heavily on internet connectivity. Privacy is another ongoing debate. having a camera and microphones built into everyday eyewear naturally raises questions about how data is handled. Meta insists on safeguards, but users will need to decide for themselves if they're comfortable with the trade-offs. Then there's the PR. ICE. These aren't cheap. You're paying not only for the Ray-Ban brand but also for Meta's AI integration. For some, that will be worth it. The combination of style, convenience, and futuristic capability is compelling. For others, it may still feel like an early adopter product. So who are these glasses for? If you're a creator, they're a fantastic way to capture content hands-free. If you're a traveler, the AI translation and navigation features are game changers. If you're someone who wants to stay connected without being constantly glued to your phone, these glasses provide a smarter, more natural way to engage with tech. At the end of the day, the Ray-Ban Meta Smart AI glasses are more than just a gimmick. They're a glimpse into the future of wearable technology, combining style and substance in a way we haven't seen before. They're not perfect, but they represent one of the most practical steps forward in making AI-powered smart glasses a part of everyday life. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe, the channel where we bring you reviews of the tech that's shaping tomorrow. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Ray-Ban Meta Smart AI glasses, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss what's next. Until next time, stay sharp, stay curious, and keep vibing with tech.